How's it going, you guys? It's Roblox Scripts here, and I'm back with another video. Now in today's video I have a script for the game The Hood. Mango GUI is back up and running. Now these videos are for educational purposes only. I am in no way, shape or form trying to encourage the usage of any scripts. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So first things first, obviously you have to join The Hood. Now all the links will be in the description. It's just going to be one there for the script. So I'm attaching my executor now, and I'm going to execute it as soon as I'm in the game. Alright, so I have executed the script successfully here. There was a small glitch where it would kick you out after saying that there was an update needed. However, it has been fixed now. You don't have to worry about that anymore. Let me go ahead and take a picture really quickly here just for the thumbnail. And it seems that we're fine. See, you can see that guy is trying to fight me, so we're going to do anti-stomp, reach, and anti-slow. And just like that, you know, no one can do anything to me anymore. They said please. Like, bro, you just try to punch me. You're being thrown into here. He already got stumped. That was funny. Anyways, there are lots of other features here. For example, a fake macro if you don't want to be, you know, that detectable. But I just ran myself into the wall. You can literally do other things. For example, auto farming your muscle or auto farming your money. Now, as you can see, due to me having the no slowdown and reach, I can literally fight anyone, even if they have weapons. As you can see, no matter what weapon they have, I can get them from a pretty safe distance. As you can see, I got the Squid Game person and then this other random person, but I'm not going to stomp them because I am exploiting, and I'm not going to be rude today. I do want to change that a little bit, so I'm just not going to try to mess that much with people. Psych! We're messing with you, boy. Let's go. Let's take him. Oh, he said nah. You too. Anyways, I did glitch, so I'm gonna reset. You can do other things like hedge bless, core blocks, unjail yourself, and rejoin if anything. And it'll let you see also who else is using Mango Hub in your server. Now, if you guys want me to make a video in regards to the auto farm, I definitely could, and I'm most likely going to do that in another video, just so that, you know, it sticks mostly to only getting money. But I've been doing the auto farm sometimes, and it does do pretty good. I'm very impressed by it. So right now, like I said, I was just trying to showcase some of the combat features. They're way different. There are many other features that you can use on this GUI, but you know, it depends to whatever you like. Like I said, I will be doing some more on this a little bit later. You know, for right now, it was just a small video. And if you press B, you can actually get rid of the GUI. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.